Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Salsabila Zaratun, and I will be presenting about vowels error analysis by speakers Bataknase Ethnic English, a Praat analysis. Introduction. In doing a speech aid, human being needs to develop language. Language is purely human way to communicate ideas, emotion, and desire by means voluntarily produce symbol to speech is important to express ideas and emotion. The purpose of this study was to find out the degree of vowels errors made by the participants. This study also aims at helping me understand that errors are actually the process before acquiring English, like the pronunciation of the native speakers. This study was also expected to be useful to make phonology learning activities in the classroom more interesting and understandable, for the students can focus on learning some words which are difficult to pronounce prior to those which are relatively easier, so that the students can acquire the pronunciation of English phonemes perfectly. Literature review. Phonology is the branch of linguistics which investigates the ways in which sounds are used systematically in different languages to form words and utterance. Phonetic is the study of the inventory of all speech sounds which humans are capable of producing. Phonemes refer to a family of sounds which count as the same in the language in question, which are functions. International phonetic alphabets refer to the symbol conventionally used in phonology to transcribe speech sounds. Research method. These steps are applied in researching the problem. The observation is done by downloading and recording the sound files. The result of the observation becomes the data, which are then analyzed. The data are taken from the native and non-native English speakers. The sound files are analyzed using Praat to find their acoustic features. In collecting the data, the writer used the commentary technique through the observation. The data were collected by using a computer in the form of sound files. The writer chose to record sounds from the Cambridge Advanced Learning Dictionary rather than from the native speaker manually, because it was smoother, spending less time, energy, and lower cost, and having English standard value of pronunciation. Result and discussion. The result in this study is presented in the tables, and mostly the pronunciation value of the participant and the native speaker. Pronounce English short vowels. In this table, we can see words, focus, phoneme, speakers, frequency or pitch, quantity or duration, intensity or spectrum. The words of which focus on phoneme E, A, full focus on phoneme U, base, about, and base, about, gas, rush, and gun. It all pronounced English short vowels. Pronounce English long vowels. The same as the previous table, this table contains an analysis of English long vowels spoken by native speakers and non-native speakers. There are words sheep, shop, bird, door, and far. Conclusion. Finally, the participants' pronunciation was analyzed from pitch, duration, and spectrum values using the Praat software. It was also found that the Praat software was very helpful in conducting the research, but researchers also had a hard time learning and developing knowledge about how to run this software for the first time. So the research suggests that students in English department need to learn how to use this software to help them do significant phonetic research in the future, and also guidance from lecturer is highly recommended in using this Praat software. Many students may not or have difficulty understanding it, so guidance from a teacher or senior who is experienced in using this device is needed. Because of the unattractive appearance of the software and minimal use, students must have a hard time understanding this software. That's all from me. Thank you. Good morning, guys. Today I will show you how to use Praat software analysis related to my previous paper. Firstly, guys, you can click open, then read from file. This is the sound of native speaker, and then can click again. This is sound of non-native speaker. Okay. Then you can click edit from this. To not waste a lot of time, we can highlight just the force we want to analyze, and then we can click cell or select. Okay, we can hear the shoot from native speaker, and then we can click this pitch. Make sure the check mark is so we can get information of the pitch. This is the information of the pitch. We can copy this to our analysis, then paste it to our analysis. Then when we want to get intensity, same way as pitch, make sure the show intensity is so, and then get intensity. This is the intensity of a native speaker of shoot. Okay, and from the total duration, we can see in the below the total duration and the seconds per seconds. Okay, we can copy also to our analysis, and then shut from non-native speaker. Same way as before, we can click edit, then highlight the sound we want to analyze. Okay, click cell, then we click pitch. From pitch, we can get a total pitch from the shot from a shoot from a native speaker or non-native speaker. This is the total pitch from non-native speaker. Okay, then we can click here again and highlight just force we want to analyze. Click cell and intensity, and we can click intensity to show our intensity from a non-native speaker. This is the intensity from non-native speaker. Okay, and then the total duration in here. Okay, then we can copy it to our analysis. Okay guys, that's all from me, the tutorial from me. Thank you.